अश्विन जी, मैं एक और चीज आपसे जानना चाहूंगी कि जब आप ये सारे काम करती हैं तो आपको कैसे लगता है? पहली बात तो आई नो आई हैव एन आंसर फॉर दिस, बट ऐसा कोई वाक्य आपके साथ गुजरा हो जिसने आपकी दिल छू लिया हो और आप सच में बैठकर शॉक में हो गए हो कि नहीं यार, मैंने जो किया है अपार्ट फ्रॉम माय वर्क, दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव कम इनटू दिस फील्ड ऑफ सोशल? ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
Actually, when you go out, na, every time you see a beggar, every time you see somebody who is wanting food, that hurts. He is, again, if he is doing, he's stealing. That stealing also cannot be called wrong if it is for his food. So we as a country have still not able to reach the minimum demands of food, clothing, shelter, medicine, accommodation. ये 5 चीजें जब तक हम समाज में नहीं दे सकते तब तक हमें राइट ही नहीं बनता है कि कोई सुधार लाए या कोई बड़ी चीज बात करे. So we have to work for an economy which is a holistic economy. Economic independence अगर इंडिया को मिलता था, जो हमने एक इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए हमने जो जीत की या जिद की, उससे हमने अगर इकोनॉमिक इंडिपेंडेंस की बात की होती कि हम हर एक आदमी today has to be economically independent, then probably things would have looked different.
So how do you think, how can we gain this economic independence?
So we have to slowly and steadily reduce the gap between the extra rich and extra poor. अगर जो gap, and we increase the purchasing capacity of the poorest section of the society. और वो भी कैसे? जॉब देके. हमें freebies नहीं बांटनी है. Freebies are one time. हम देख रहे हैं दिल्ली what happened. We would rather like to give work, jobs. So we could create, अगर locality में कुछ jobs है, make them prosper as a locality. पहले जो villages होते थे independent villages, so if we can get that kind of system, हर एक village को independent बनाओ. barter system भी आए, चलेगा. I have maybe rice, I give you rice, I take wheat from you. क्यों चाहिए पैसे? So we have to look at how, and the solution may not be same for all. Each person आपको दूसरे अंदाज से काम करना पड़ेगा. But definitely as a society, if we are together, we can definitely make things. And there are so many NGOs working today. We work with so many NGOs.
तो मैम, हम आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे कि आपका इंस्पिरेशन कौन रहा है और ऐसी कौन सी चीज थी जिसने आपको इंस्पायर किया कि आप ये सारे काम करें?
हमारे गुरु हैं श्री आनंद मूर्ति जी. He has a sentence which means that Atma Mokshartam Jagat Hitaya Chitta. So your moksha is aligned with the work you do for the society. So आपको मोक्ष तो है, वो तो मिलेगा ही, पर आप सोसाइटी का, जगत का हित करके उसे पाओ. And once you go in this line, you know you are correct. You have come at the right path. So it is just an experience. I mean, I can share that, but people will have to find that for themselves. They have to either find their own way or follow a well-tread path, which is, but that is the only way for salvation.
Ma'am, I would also like to know from you कि आपकी लाइफ में ऐसी कौन सी महिलाएं रही है, 3 महिलाओं के नाम जिन्होंने आपको इंस्पायर किया कि लाइफ में कुछ अलग कर जाए, कुछ अलग करें?
Sudha Murthy ji, she is one which I look up to because इतने ऊंचे पोस्ट में होके she has given back to the society in her own way. She writes beautifully. उनकी books, novels बहुत अच्छी हैं. I will also like to take the name of the Iron Lady of India, Indira Gandhi. Maybe not all decisions were right, but she was a brave lady. And as a lady, definitely at that post, she has done a lot of good things. The third name is Kiran Majumdar-Shah, the head lady for Biocom. So she's our field lady. Definitely, there are many. I wouldn't, but these are the ones which are coming to my mind as strong ladies.
And those girls, young girls who would be looking at you and watching your interview, what inspirational word would you tell those girls? What would you like to share?
Be yourself. बहुत ज्यादा दूसरों को इमिटेट करने की कोशिश ना करो. You are finally yourself, and if your heart tells you yes, that is right, it is probably right. Or any lady knows what is right and what is wrong. उसका inner conscious sixth sense is so strong. वो एक रूम में आके बता सकती है whether that room is good for her or not. And if she's on a spiritual path, she should give time for herself every day, because a lady does everything for others, and her health, her things always are at a back seat. So my message to them will be, look at yourself and try to spend some time with that your pure self. उसके लिए क्या अच्छा है? अगर उसके लिए हेल्थ का ख्याल रखना अच्छा है, they have to take care of their health. सारा फैमिली के हेल्थ के बारे में सोच के अगर अपना खुद का हेल्थ वो नहीं सोचेगी, तो the family is going to repent later. वो नहीं कर पाएगी. And also you should not do too many things for the family. Teach independence for everybody, because otherwise you will become like a worker bee. आपको सबको काम सिखा के उसमें से रिटायर होना है, because you also have so much big role for the society. Society needs your help, your intelligence. Use it not only for your family, look for the universal family. आप क्या दे सकते हो समाज को? आपकी क्या चीज है आप में? क्या आप कोई कला जानते हो कि आप उसे सिखा सकते हो दूसरों को? This is what they have to talk to themselves, and they will see that वो joy उनको मिलेगा ना, वो चीज एक दूसरों को देने से. Sharing is the best thing. कोई भी नॉलेज, मैंने नेचुरोपैथी का कोर्स किया 1 साल पहले, फिर मैंने लास्ट ईयर में I said I'm going to start a online course of naturopathy. पूरा साल हमने 10 सेशंस में 10-12 सेशंस में पूरा कोर्स कंप्लीट किया. And now that is recorded, it is online. So anybody needs anything, they have to just go online and hear to that thing. So this is the way you share your knowledge, and knowledge grow होता है. मैं खुद भी सीखी while teaching others, because it was not easy answering questions. Health के बारे में कोई भी seminar दो, it is not easy. So slowly, the more you share, the more you learn, the more you grow.
And coming back to the organization which you have formed, what are your future plans for it? आगे और क्या करना है? कुछ सोचा?
मैं, if you really ask me, I will like to make franchises of this.
Okay.
Because this is such a beautiful concept. तो अगर कोई से दिल्ली में इसे करना चाहता है, तो मैं उसे हेल्प कर सकती हूँ. I can make maybe involve myself in 1 or 2 months, और उसको ग्रो करके, उसको इंडिपेंडेंट करके, वो आपके लोकेशन लोकेलिटी वाले आपके प्रॉब्लम्स, एवरीबॉडी हैज प्रॉब्लम्स, एवरीबॉडी नीड्स सो मच हेल्प. तो अगर मैं दिल्ली में नहीं काम कर रही हूँ, तो वहाँ पे अगर एक दूसरा पाथ ऑफ ब्लिस का सेशन दिल्ली चैप्टर खुला आता है, दैट विल बी लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू फॉर मी. पुणे में पुणे चैप्टर, बैंगलोर में बैंगलोर चैप्टर, क्यों नहीं?
Okay, so have you thought anything, like any process you have taken?
I need people. So if by this interview, if somebody from Bangalore comes to me, I'll be more than happy. मैं तुमको मुंह मांगा इनाम दूँ, because that will be something like we are reaching the people, and there will be so many inspirational people. They will be much better than me. वो तो उस बच्चे को और भी अच्छा बना सकते हैं. But we need inspiring people who come forward and say, yes, I want to start in Delhi. Yeah, I want to start maybe in Calcutta, whatever.
But then how you are going to take, like you are going to teach them?
Yes, hand holding करूँगी, सारा करूँगी.
Okay.
क्यों नहीं?
I hope if somebody watches and they come,
yes,
please let us know them later.
Sure. I'll give a feedback if they come. They're so nice.
Ma'am, anything you would like to share from your end which will actually inspire those viewers who are watching our show? See, our show is basically based on motivational and inspirational stories, and we actually believe that, कि हमारे शो पे जो भी आए, वो जो ऑडियंस है या जो लिसनर्स है, जो आपको देख रहे हैं, वो आपसे कुछ ऐसा ले जाए कि जिंदगी में अपनी कुछ कर गुजरे.
Okay. I think everybody must at the end of the day ask themselves कि मैंने आज अच्छा काम क्या किया, and start with this कि आज मैंने ये अच्छा काम किया, and slowly grow to that work becoming more and more bigger, more and more kind of involving more and more people. से मैंने आज एक चिड़िया को पानी दिया. Okay. Now from there I grow into I help a beggar's home. in my society, or I helped maybe XYZ का education का funding मैंने किया. So start with these things, and slowly your journey will take you to a very big, huge, nice goal. What is written in your destiny? I mean, you will be writing your destiny.
Exactly. So I guess these were your kind words which you could have shared with our viewers. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थे डॉक्टर अश्विनी जो हमसे बातें कर रहे थे, और जाहिर सी बात है कि जिस तरह हमने कहा है कि हमारी पूरी कोशिश होगी कि हम आप तक कुछ ऐसे व्यक्तियों को लेकर आए जो आपको भी मोटिवेट करे, इंस्पायर करे, और अपनी जिंदगी में अगर कुछ आप अचीव करना चाहे तो हमारी या उनकी कुछ बातें हैं जो आपको इंस्पायर करे और आगे जिंदगी में ले जाए. अगर ऐसे ही कुछ लोग हैं जो हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहेंगे, अपनी बातें शेयर करना चाहेंगे, तो प्लीज हमें फॉलो करिए, हमें कमेंट करिए, एंड जब भी आप हमसे कांटेक्ट करेंगे, surely we will also contact with you and get back to you on all your solutions. Till then, thanks a lot for watching.